Hello traders, and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the EMAS Gold Sniper EA for MT4, and in this video we'll just walk through the MQL5 Marketplace page, explore the features and settings provided by the developer, review the historical backtesting information, and then discuss the overall results and considerations. All right, so starting with the Marketplace page, we can see that EMAS Gold Sniper is developed by Ignacio Agustin Mene Franco. The EA is currently listed at 629 US dollars, supports MT4, and the version shown is 3.0 with 5 activations available. All right, so looking through the description, this expert advisor is specifically designed for trading XAU USD, which is gold, versus the US dollar. The developer describes it as an automated system built around an exponential moving average crossover strategy combined with risk management features and pending order execution. The recommended setup is clearly outlined on the page. The preferred symbol is XAUUSD on the M5 time frame with a minimum capital recommendation of 1,000 US dollars. The developer also recommends a lot size between 0.2 and 0.5 lots, depending on account conditions, and suggesting using ECN, STP, or raw spread accounts. Now, moving into the strategy section, the EA uses 2 exponential moving averages. According to the marketplace information, a fast EMA with a default period of 10 is used to detect shorter term trend changes, while a slower EMA with a default period of 30 is used to confirm broader market direction. Now, for trade entries, the developer explains that a buy signal occurs when the first EMA crosses above the slow EMA, while a sell signal occurs when the fast EMA crosses below the slow EMA. Rather than immediately entering the market, the EA places pending buy stop or sell stop orders designed to capture price movement after the signal has been generated. Another feature highlighted is the grid type pending order system. The marketplace page explains that the EA can place multiple pending orders within predefined distance limits while controlling the maximum number of active pending orders. The purpose, according to the developer, is to capture opportunities across different price levels while maintaining structured risk management. Now, speaking of risk management, the EA includes a fixed stop loss that is fully configurable, as well as a dynamic trailing stop system. The trailing stop activates once a position reaches a predefined profit threshold and then adjusts as price continues moving in favor of the trade. The EA also includes margin checks and optional risk-based lot sizing. Additional controls include trading hour filters, spread filters, moving average settings, slippage limits, and visual chart features such as signal-based candle coloring and custom backgrounds. Now, let us move over to the historical backtesting section. As always, historical backtest should be viewed as historical analysis rather than a guarantee of future performance. All right, so they can help us understand how a strategy behaved under previous market conditions, but future results may differ significantly. From what I can see here, this shows me an initial deposit of $10,000. Total net profit made was over $213,000, and I can see here that total trades taken were over $17,800, out of which 11,734 we are profitable, and that gave us 65.83% win rate. All right, now let's just head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the EA also performed over the past 3 months. So we're testing the EMAS Gold Sniper on XAUUSD, of course, on the M5 time frame as recommended. And then here we are using the every tick modeling. Looking at the reports, we can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit made was over $83,400, precisely $83,493. And then here I can see that the total trades taken were 9,893, out of which 6,954 were profitable, giving us a 70.29% win rate. All right, and then the largest profit was $210, largest loss was just $6, average profit $13.86, average loss $4.39. So this means that the risk to reward ratio is good. All right, it's actually okay, very good. And then I can see that the maximal consecutive profit was 79, giving 9,147.8, and then the maximal consecutive losses were 30, giving $151. Okay, so let us quickly turn on the visuals. Let's see how this EA looks like in action. Now, looking through the completed historical chart activity, the behavior described by the developer suggests that entries are tied directly to EMA crossover signals and the placement of pending orders, right? The use of stop loss protection, trailing stops, and margin checks means there are several layers of trade management involved after positions are activated. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Testing over longer periods can provide a better perspective on performance during both trending and more challenging environments. Now, when reviewing the historical chart activity, it can be useful to observe how frequently pending orders become activated, how trailing stops influence trade exits, and how the system manages multiple pending entries during active market periods. Now, as for the historical backtest results, remember that historical testing performance can vary depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization choices. Now, overall, the EMAS Gold Sniper EA is presented as an MT4 expert advisor built specifically for XAUUSD trading, combining EMA crossover signals, pending order execution, grid-based order placement, and multiple layers of risk management. As always, I encourage traders to perform their own testing and optimization before considering live deployment. So in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.